the ceiling pull, last panel with rivets. This is already all ground down, ready to come out. I'm gonna let Nikki pull it out so you can see how easy it pops off. Check this shit out.
Yeah, so this is after we have ground it down. And watch this. We just pull. Oh, let me get the other side.
You wonder why we take this out? Look at this.
Yeah, look at all these flies, guys.
Fly farm.
So for those of you who ask why you want to take your roof out and completely demo, that is why.
You never know what's behind these ceiling panels. You should always take it out and re-insulate. This stuff is old.
Yeah.
Our bus is from 1997. So that's 23 years, 24 years that this has been up here. It's old. It's time to come out. We got one more panel held in with screws, and then we're done with ceiling. Took us like what, 6-7 hours total over 2 days.
Hey guys, it's Nikki. We are finishing up day 2 of demo. Proud to say that we actually got the entire ceiling out today and even removed some of the back panel to the back of the bus as well. Tomorrow's Monday, so Mike has to get back to his regular day job, and me and the kids, we will be doing the sidewalls, more rivets. Of course, we'll take videos of that as well, but I want to show you guys what we did today. So, come with me, let's check it out. So, let me get up on my ladder here. Alright. So, check that out, guys. We got the entire ceiling done. We are so happy. Look all the way to the back as well. I even took out the paneling here and the paneling down here as well. It's looking pretty awesome. Both sides. Got all this done right here. And right now Mike is sweeping up the floors for me, so then I can come in with the shop vac and have this clean and ready to go for me and the kids to do the walls tomorrow, which is going to be a really big pain in the butt because guess what, guys?
I don't have to do it.
More rivets. More rivets. More rivets. So.
Rivet.
So.
But I'm gonna be at work, so I don't have to touch those.
Yay!
So we're gonna do that tomorrow, me and the kids, and yeah, I'm very extremely happy with the progress that we have done today. So we will.
We're like 10 hours in, and we've got the ceiling out. Floors are almost done. We just gotta put in some new pieces where there's holes, and then paint the outside, and then we get building on the inside.
Maybe, yeah, we might be able to paint the outside soon. So, you want to wave? That's my mini-me.
Wave.
Where's the other mini-me?
He's locked out the door.
He locked himself out. He's coming around the back way. Alright, wave. You happy with the progress today?
Yeah. Alright, let's do it on camera.
Alright.
Everybody in. You guys do it with us. 1, 2, 3. Smith Busters!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, demo day 3, and yeah, wall removal. I've put in my 8 hours at work, and now I am joining the party. We got some new angle grinder wheels. They're zirconia, and they're blue. They're pretty.
They worked way better. They're $6 a piece instead of the $2 a piece, and so Mike only bought 2 of them, but they're working beautifully. Like, so instead of taking a minute and a half to get each rivet it's taking like 30 seconds. So it's worth the $6 in my book.
So we're going to cut to some in-action shots of us.
This.
We got the blue grinder wheels. Yeah, there's zirconias. 40 grit is cutting through the metal. Fantastic.
It is.
60 grit works too. We did some 60 grit wheels on the ceiling. Worked just fine. And now we're going to cut out underneath the windows and the emergency windows. We've got most of the one ceiling panel done, but we're going to cut through some in-action shots, and we'll be back to wrap this up in just a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, wrapping
Hey
up
guys.
the end of day 3. And we're going to have a quick conversation about being mindful of your surroundings. So I pulled on a side panel and I got Nikki in the leg and yeah, drew some blood. And then I, exiting the back door, hit my head right there. And I drew blood on my head. So yeah.
He made us both bleed today is what he's saying.
Yeah, so be mindful of your surroundings when you're doing your Skoolie build. Just an update, we've got 3 of the big 4 panels out of our bus almost completely.
You see it behind me here.
Yep. Once
Got it all out except for one little spot up by the side door up there.
and after doing so, we think we're gonna get take the windows out and re-caulk those and get those taken care of as well. So that's an extra day of work, but 20 minutes, maybe half an hour tomorrow, and the rest of the panels will be out on the walls. We'll do a final update then, and yeah, so
Good news is it doesn't look like our windows are leaking. We were looking at the insulation as we were pulling it out, and the only part that looked like it had some water damage was at the very bottom where the wall meets the floor, which makes total sense because the floor is pretty rusted. It's got a lot of surface rust on it. So, but I think to be safe, we're going to go ahead and rip the, well, not rip, we're going to pull the windows out and just reseal them, you know, clean them up with a good wire brush with the angle grinder and re-caulk them and make sure that they're good because we will be living in here full time and I don't want any leaky windows destroying my new stuff. So better safe than sorry.
most definitely. So yeah, with that being said, we're moving right along. I didn't post the video from yesterday yet. I'm going to go ahead and post that today, and then I'll post this tomorrow, just so we can kind of do some editing and some fun stuff with it. But yeah, follow us at Instagram, SongBird Skoolie, and Facebook. We're also SongBird Skoolie. SongBird's one word, and we'll catch you next time.
I'm going to go shower my blood off now.
2 and 2 back at you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.